nanometer, 5 nanometer. Yeah, I'm going to be saying nanometer quite a lot today. So a week or two ago, IBM made a massive breakthrough announcement by introducing the world's first 2 nanometer transistors. Although it may be quite some time until we actually see these transistors coming into the mainstream market, I think the prospect is incredibly exciting. To put this into perspective, most of the high-end chips at the moment are being built around a 7 nanometer process, with exceptions like Apple's new M1 chip, which is using what was thought to be, and of course still is, a revolutionary 5 nanometer process. But IBM have now broken free of that 5 nanometer record for commercial transistor size, which will have huge benefits for many different industries and may even allow consoles and PCs to run Cyberpunk, although that's just me being optimistic. But with chips this size, IBM claims that this could potentially improve performance by 45% over current 7 nanometer commercially available products, as well as using up to 75% less energy to match current performance. IBM claims their shiny new chips could quadruple mobile phone battery life, meaning a charge every 4 days could be all that is needed. This is going to be a godsend for people like me who charge their phones practically every few hours, or maybe that's just because I'm on it too much. But anyway, thinking about it, with all the environmental concerns over the mining of Bitcoin recently, which caused Elon Musk to withdraw from his idea of allowing people to use it as a payment method for his cars, which broke the internet and soon after then broke Bitcoin and basically the whole market, this new technology may kickstart the revival of this cryptocurrency. Now, although this is a huge advancement in the development of computer chips, as I said at the beginning, it may be quite some time until we see these tiny 2 nanometer chips in our everyday smart devices. When IBM originally introduced 5 nanometer technology way back in 2017, it actually took roughly 3 years for them to start showing up in commercial products, so we're going to have to stay patient for a while. But until then, we will still have more 5 nanometer technology being introduced within laptops and other hardware, which is still exciting nonetheless. That's about it for this video, but if you are a returning subscriber, sorry for the lack of content over the last couple of months. Don't worry, I'm back now. If you want to find out why, make sure to click the pop-out banner in the top right. But with that being said, I hope you did enjoy the video and make sure to leave a comment with your opinions on this 2 nanometer technology. But with that being said, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.